Please take GrainEd in your browser. Hello all. Today I will be giving a demo on how to use the GrainEd website. You will understand how to find sessions of your interest, understand more about your mentors, see the schedule, topics and register for the session. To see the sessions that are happening now, scroll down. For example, you can see here that a session is going to start soon. You can click View Session to view the details. You can see the main subject covered in this session. You can see the topics and its schedule. You can also view the details of the mentor. To register for a session, you click on the Register button. If you have not signed up, click the menu button to see the option to sign up. You can also use your Google account to sign up. You will get an approval email once you register for the session. Before the session, log into GrainEd. Go to the sessions page and you will be able to see a meeting details button. Click on the meeting details button. Here you can view the meeting link, the Zoom meeting ID and the passcode. Attend the session by logging into Zoom at least 5 minutes before the session begins. Another important feature is discussion threads. Each course has discussion threads. Here you can ask doubts, discuss with other students and upload assignments. Here is how to create a discussion thread. Click on Start Discussion. Give a title and type in what you want others to see. You can format it, change fonts, upload videos, etc. At the end of the session, you can give your feedback in the feedback section. You can also give a rating out of 5 stars right below. Now, if you missed a class in one of your sessions, you can go to the sessions page and view them. Click the sessions button and select the course you need to refer to. On the top of the website, you will see a search bar. Here, you can search for courses, sessions, mentors, etc. if you want to find something specific. Once you log in, you will be able to see a menu option called My Account. My Account has details about the discussions you participated in, the sessions you registered for, your favorite courses, and the certificate of participation of the courses you completed. Here, you can view and download the certificates of your courses. Using My Account, you can also select your preferred subjects, and when a relevant course comes up in the future, you will be notified of the same.